Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Hashflow and the Hashflow token, HFT. I wanted to make a quick video on that because we actually were pretty bullish. For those of you who don't know, I trade HFT. I follow it regularly, I follow it every single day, a couple of times to be honest. So I saw this bullish breakout. It's pretty interesting market structure. So just wanted to talk about that, wanted to give you my thoughts on what's about to happen next. So yeah, let's get right into it. If you want to receive trading signals, including also on the Hashflow, check out the links down in the pinned comment or the description. There you'll find more instructions on how to join those actual groups and also results and stuff if you want to. But for now, let's actually take a look at HFT. Right now, as you can see, the candle just closed. We're fairly bullish. If you take a look at where that volume is coming from, it's also coming from credible sources, to be honest with you. So looks pretty good. Altogether, you had kind of this, the price was really being squeezed. I mean, we were kind of, you had this bearish momentum, as you can see, raining down on top of us. And then you had this bullish momentum around 60 cents, which was pretty strong. I believe also on the daily, I'm not too sure. That's the weekly. Yeah, on the daily you also had that 50 EMA, which is pretty strong. So we were kind of being squeezed, and that caused us, I think, to have a bullish breakout. When we also had some bullish momentum yesterday, I think that was enough. Broke above the 200 EMA around 63 cents and continued the bullish momentum up towards the next resistance level right here around 68 cents. Now the big question though is what's going to happen next? Can we rally even higher? Can we get up to like 72, 75 cents? Or was this it? Was this just a little bit of a higher, lower high in this downtrend? And I have to be honest with you, and it's a really boring answer, but it's going to depend on Bitcoin. First of all, because, and we'll dive into Hashflow as well, don't worry, but it's going to really depend on Bitcoin's reaction to the testimony of Jerome Powell. So if you want to know, you have to stay updated on what Bitcoin is doing. If Bitcoin, for example, drops down to 22,000, then the result of the testimony was probably bearish. And we'll drop back down to that 60 cents level. All right. And we'll probably even continue dropping down afterwards in the days after. If Bitcoin is bullish, goes up to 22,900, I think Hashflow will break above 68 cents and get up to at least 62 and 64 as a resistance. So it's really going to depend on that. If we purely take a look at the technicals around Hashflow, what I'd say is that we found resistance at a major resistance level. The trend is down, so it's more likely that we will drop back down to 60 cents and hold that as a consolidation, because in the end it did give us enough bullish momentum for a bullish breakout. So that means that there is quite a lot of strength and bullish momentum in that level still. So that's what I'd say purely technically, and then there's still this opportunity purely technically that we broke above this minor key level around 65 cents. This is really the first step. So we'll find support here. If we can hold that for like 2 or 3 candles, let's say 3 candles, then we'd break above 68 cents, get up to 72 cents. If we cannot hold that, which would be my most likely scenario, then we drop down to 63 cents and later on drop down to 60 cents. So purely based on the technicals, this would be my analysis. But as I said, please also take a look at Bitcoin and what it's doing, especially in about 6 hours. You can find more about that on myfxbook.com. And then the economic calendar, because that's unfortunately that's really going to determine what way HFT will go. So keep an eye out for that. But this was at least my update and my view on HFT for today. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.